All right, room 13. Let's take a look at our Tuesday packet work. Yesterday we did a little pre-write for this page. It's called Today I'm Thankful For. So you're going to think of all the things you're thankful for. I'm not going to ask you to do this one in a paragraph unless you really want to, but you can just kind of write out a nice list of complete sentences for things you're thankful for. Today I'm thankful for my mom because she made me a hot breakfast and then she let me turn on my favorite show. My mom is very generous. You can write all sorts of nice things about your mom, or you can just list a bunch of things like, I am thankful for my dog, and I am thankful for a house with a roof, because I'm thankful for that. It is rainy out there. And then you're going to think of a kind act to do today. So you might need to actually do a kind act before you fill out this page, but think of something kind you can do for someone today. Here's a little bit of reading on salmon to remind you why salmon were important to the coastal Salish people. And then I've got a super fun salmon art project for you. And if this looks familiar, it's kind of like the one we did at school. Now you'll remember that traditional colors are red, black, and white. You can also add in just a little bit of turquoise if you want to, but I am curious to see you guys color this one up. Make sure you take a picture of your beautiful artwork from your packet and post it to Seesaw so I can see. Hey, here is the vacation part 2. You're going to read this story. It's going to tell us about the next part of our main character's camping adventure. And then down here, you've got 2 activities, and I want to talk briefly about this first one, so I'm going to zoom in. On the top here, you're going to summarize. Now, a summary is when you tell the important parts of a story, but you don't tell the whole story. Kind of like if someone said, if you saw a movie and your friend said, hey, what was that movie about? You wouldn't tell them the whole 2-hour movie. You would summarize, okay? You would say Star Wars is about a young boy who realizes he has amazing powers and goes out and fights against the evil empire. You tell about the important parts. So that's what you're going to do with this page. You're going to tell about the most important parts that happened here. So summarizing is tricky because you have to do enough that we can figure out what happened in the story, but not so much that you're just telling every little thing that happened. So think about the important things in the story. Down here at the bottom, I'm going to zoom in one more time. You're going to tell me about the order of events. So carefully read through all of these first and decide which one happens first. Put a number 1 next to that one. Then number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Maybe if I'm feeling nice, I'll make the numbers and so you can just drag them and put them where they belong. We'll see. We'll see how nice I'm feeling. And then over here, you are doing fractions on a number line. They very nicely give you the fractions to put on the number line up here. You just need to write them down here. Okay? Don't forget that 1 counts when you're counting the intervals. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why these are fifths. So 1, remember, is equal to 5 fifths, or 8 eighths, or 10 tenths. It's always when the numerator and the denominator are the same. That's all for Tuesday's packet work. Don't forget, we've got a Zoom meeting at 1 o'clock today. I hope to see you there. We're going to play an awesome game. Have a great day. I will